You already know who they are. That version of you that's focused, disciplined, relentless. No excuses. No distractions. No softness. Just results. But here's the truth. You're terrified of becoming them. Why? Because that version of you doesn't scroll for hours. Doesn't seek comfort. Doesn't need anyone's approval. That version of you kills your lazy habits. Cuts off fake friends. Walks into the pain, on purpose. And deep down, you know. You're not ready to let go of who you are. You want the results. But you don't want the sacrifice. You crave transformation. But you refuse to destroy what's holding you back. Here's the harsh truth. You can't evolve and stay comfortable. You can't become a savage while acting soft. You can't live a powerful life while clinging to powerless habits. You want to become the version of you that scares you? Then do the things that scare you. Wake up early. Show up when you don't feel like it. Speak your truth. Say no. Stop hiding behind, maybe later. Becoming that person isn't about motivation. It's about surgical decisions. Cut. Build. Burn. Repeat. Because the only way to become your highest self is to kill the version that keeps holding you back. So if you're scared of who you could become, good. It means you're close. Now stop fantasizing. And become the threat.